I'm proud of Daddy for dressing you right today.
The ability to push the right buttons with each player to get them to perform.
Unless you've got red shoes or something.
I thought I let her wear a little black dress because she had on there. She looked cute.
Yeah, she posed me.
She didn't give me no food about it.
Alright, ma'am.
She didn't give me no food about it.
Why? That's dirty dancing.